These knives from AliExpress aren't just sharp, they're crazy cool. Wild looks, cool features, and prices that'll surprise you. Let's check out some of the coolest blades online. All these knives links are in the description below. Number 30, AK-47 model knife. This badass folding knife looks exactly like a mini assault rifle, complete with detailed grips, faux stock, and a rifle-style handle that turns heads instantly. The stainless steel blade is around 3 to 3.5 inches long, sharp enough for daily use like cutting cords or boxes. It's spring-assisted for quick, smooth, one-handed opening. The handle offers a decent grip and often features a safety lock for added control, usually available in black or camo finishes with wood-like accents. It's a wild mix of tactical and novelty, perfect for collectors or anyone who loves bold, gun-inspired gear with a serious attitude. Number 29, stainless steel folding knife. Compact folding knives are a practical addition to any kitchen or outdoor grilling setup. Made from durable stainless steel, it offers reliable performance with a clean, modern look. Slicing fruit at home or tackling meal prep by the grill, this knife handles everyday cutting tasks with ease. Its foldable design ensures safe storage and convenient portability, making it easy to bring along for picnics, camping, or barbecues. Lightweight yet sharp, it's built for versatility without weighing you down. Number 28, Keychain Folding Knife. This compact folding pocket knife is perfect for outdoor adventures and everyday carry. Made from durable stainless steel, it's ideal for slicing fruit, opening packages, or tackling small tasks on the go. Its folding design makes it easy to store, and the keychain attachment allows you to keep it handy wherever you are. Lightweight yet sturdy, this multifunctional knife is perfect for camping, hiking, or just everyday use, offering convenience and practicality in a compact, portable size. Number 27, Top Straight Knife. This tough, no-nonsense fixed blade is made for serious outdoor work. Crafted from high-carbon steel, it's built to handle heavy-duty tasks like chopping wood, skinning game, or slicing through rope without skipping a beat. The full tang construction gives it rock-solid durability, and the blade, usually around 4 to 5 inches, holds a sharp edge for a long time. The grippy, textured handle fits comfortably in your hand and offers solid control in any weather. It typically comes with a rugged sheath for easy carry on your belt or pack. Number 26, Quick Open Folding Pocket Knife. This slick little folding knife is all about speed and convenience. With its spring-assisted mechanism, the blade flips out fast with just a flick, perfect for one-handed use. The stainless steel blade is around 3 to 3.5 inches long, sharp and ready for everyday tasks like cutting boxes, rope, or packaging. Its compact design folds down easily and clips right onto your pocket or belt. The handle often features a textured or ergonomic grip for solid control, even in quick action moments. Number 25, LEMIFSHE Folding Knife. Compact flippers are built around a tailed 3.4-inch D2 steel blade with ceramic bearings for super smooth one-handed action. It locks up solid and comes razor sharp right out of the box. The handle is lightweight yet sturdy, often G10 or carbon fiber over steel, offering good grip and a trim profile for easy pocket carry. Overall length is around 9 inches, weighing about 90 grams, so it disappears in your pocket. Blade finish options include stonewash or coated black, and hardness sits around 59 to 60 HRC. It's a budget gem that handles everyday tasks like slicing fruit, opening boxes, or light camping chores with real flair. Number 24, Black Damascus Outdoor Knife. Outdoor blade features a striking black Damascus style finish that instantly catches the eye. The blade is usually around 4 to 5 inches long with a sharp patterned edge that's great for cutting, slicing, or detailed work in the wild. It's made from high carbon or layered steel, offering solid durability and a sharp edge that lasts. The full tang design adds strength, while the ergonomic handle, often wood or micarta, gives you a secure grip in all weather. It comes with a leather or Kydex sheath for easy carry. Number 23, Dopamine Color Knife. Colorful folding knife is built for adventure and designed to pop with its bold Dopamine style finish. It features a high quality stainless steel blade around 3 inches long that's sharp, durable, and ready for action out hiking, camping, or just tackling everyday tasks. The blade flips open smoothly with one hand using the thumb hole or flipper tab and locks securely in place. Its lightweight handle has a vibrant rainbow coating coating and offers a solid grip for outdoor use. Compact, portable, and stylish, it's a reliable multi-purpose tool that adds both utility and personality to your gear setup. Number 22. MKC Wargoat Fixed Blade Knife. The beast of a fixed blade is made for serious field use, built tough with a MagnaCut stainless steel blade that's razor sharp, corrosion resistant, and holds an edge like a champ. The blade length lands in that sweet spot, great for hunting, bushcraft, or self-defense. It's full tang for extra strength, and the textured G10 handle offers a rock-solid grip even in rough conditions. Designed for tactical performance, it balances well in hand and feels ready for anything. Number 21. Doom Blade Folding Knife. This all-in-one folding knife is a total win for your everyday carry or outdoor gear. It packs a partially serrated stainless steel blade, perfect for slicing rope or tougher materials, with a smooth folding action for easy one-handed use. Built into the handle are two handy extras, a glass breaker for emergencies and a bottle opener for, well, less serious moments. The handle itself has a solid, textured grip and a pocket clip for easy carry. Number 20. Multifunctional Knife. High-quality multi-tool blade is built to handle just about anything the outdoors throws at you. It features a strong stainless steel blade that's sharp, durable, and great for cutting, slicing, or light chopping during hikes or camping trips. But it doesn't stop there. It also packs in extra functions like a fire starter, mini saw edge, or wrench cutouts depending on the model. The ergonomic handle gives a secure grip even when wet, and the compact design makes it easy to pack or clip to your gear. Perfect for survival kits, outdoor adventures, or just being ready for the unexpected. Number 19. BM Assisted Tactical Pocket Knife. This tactical pocket knife is made for quick action and tough situations. It features an assisted opening mechanism, so the blade flips out fast and smooth with just a little pressure. Perfect for one-handed use. The stainless steel blade is sharp and reliable, great for outdoor tasks like cutting rope, slicing wood, or basic food prep. The ABS handle is lightweight but tough, offering a solid grip even in rough weather. Compact and easy to carry with a built-in pocket clip, it's ideal for camping, hiking, or everyday carry. Number 18. Chris Reeve CR Knife. A premium folding knife is a powerhouse in a sleek, compact design. It features a razor-sharp S35 VN stainless steel blade with excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and a clean stonewash finish for that rugged, no-flash look. The blade rides on a ball-bearing system, making the opening action incredibly smooth and effortless. Its titanium alloy handle feels solid yet lightweight, with a sturdy frame lock that keeps everything secure. Perfect for outdoor use, survival tasks, or everyday carry, this knife balances toughness with elegance. Slicing, prepping, or just showing it off, this tool is built to impress and perform. Number 17. Mini Titanium Alloy Utility Knife. A tiny utility blade is a pocket-sized powerhouse. Made from durable titanium alloy, it's super lightweight yet tough enough for daily use. The push-slide mechanism makes blade access quick and easy, perfect for unboxing, cutting tape, or quick slicing jobs. It's small enough to hang on your keychain or tuck in a pocket without notice. Despite its size, it feels solid in hand and gets the job done. It even comes with 5 extra blades, so you're always ready to swap when needed. Number 16. Scalpel Folding Knife. Sleek little folding knife is like carrying surgical precision in your pocket. Crafted from stainless steel, it's compact, lightweight, and designed to clip right onto your keychain. The folding design keeps it safe when not in use, and it uses a replaceable number 11 surgical blade. Super sharp and perfect for detailed tasks like slicing, crafting, or even light self-defense in a pinch. The slim profile makes it ultra portable without sacrificing function. Opening packages, doing hobby work, or just need a precise EDC tool, this blade is small, sharp, and seriously handy to have around. Number 15. Mechanical Art Knife. This stylish little cutter blends mechanical design with real everyday function. Made from stainless steel, it features a sharp, precision cutting edge that's perfect for slicing paper, opening packages, or trimming wallpaper with ease. The replaceable blade system makes it super convenient. Just swap in a fresh one when needed, no hassle. Its sleek mechanical art look adds a cool vibe to your desk or EDC setup, and the solid build gives it a premium feel in hand. Number 14. Gdekls Stainless Steel Outdoor Knife. Solid outdoor blade is built from high-quality stainless steel, making it tough enough for just about any adventure. Camping, hiking, or out on a hunting trip, it's ready to handle cutting, slicing, and survival tasks with ease. The blade holds a sharp edge well and resists rust, so it's reliable in all kinds of weather. Its ergonomic handle offers a secure grip even when your hands are wet or dirty. Compact enough to carry easily but strong enough for real work, it's a dependable tool to keep in your pack whenever you head into the wild. Number 13. Karambit Camping Folding Knife. Folding Karambit is built for action and designed with both style and function in mind. It features a curved 8CR13 stainless steel blade that's sharp, durable, and perfect for tactical use, utility tasks, or self-defense. The G10 handle gives a solid, non-slip grip even in wet conditions, and includes the signature finger ring for secure handling and quick control. Compact and easy to carry, it folds smoothly and fits right in your pocket or gear bag. Number 12. CNC Titanium Mini Knife. This mini knife is small in size but big on style and toughness. It features a sharp Damascus patterned blade that not only looks awesome but handles light cutting tasks with ease. The CNC machined titanium alloy handle adds a premium, rugged feel while keeping things ultra lightweight and durable. Compact enough to hang on a keychain or clip to your bag, it's a perfect EDC companion for camping, hiking, or everyday use. The folding action is smooth, and the build quality is solid for its size. Number 11. Yamato Katana Knife. A full-sized replica sword is a must-have for fans of anime, gaming, or cosplay. Measuring around 40 inches, it's modeled after a legendary blade from a popular action series, capturing every sleek, iconic detail. Made from durable wood, it's safe for display or costume use while still feeling solid in hand. The black finish, intricate handle wrap, and classic katana curve give it that authentic samurai vibe. You're dressing up as a demon-slaying warrior, or just want an epic prop for your collection. This piece brings style, size, and serious presence without the sharp edge. Number 10. M390 Steel Folding Knife. A tough folding knife is built for both everyday carry and serious outdoor use. It features a premium M390 steel blade known for its excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and high hardness, so it stays razor sharp longer. The blade flips open smoothly and locks up solid, ready for action if you're slicing fruit or cutting rope at camp. The G10 handle offers a grippy, textured feel that's lightweight yet super durable, compact enough to carry in your pocket, but tough enough for survival situations. Number 9. Credit Card Multifunctional Knife. The ultra slim multi-tool is shaped like a credit card but packed with serious utility. Designed for outdoor lovers and EDC fans, it fits right in your wallet or pocket without bulk. It includes a small but sharp fold-out blade, great for quick cuts, plus extra features like a mini wrench, screwdriver edge, and even a bottle opener. Built from sturdy stainless steel or alloy, it's lightweight, rust-resistant, and ready for emergency situations. Number 8. M9 Dagger Model Knife. Tactical style rubber dagger is all about the looks without the danger. Crafted from durable plastic and rubber materials, it's designed to mimic the classic M9 bayonet, making it perfect for cosplay, display, or safe training. The blade has a realistic shape and size, while the textured handle gives you that rugged military feel. It's lightweight, sturdy, and built for fun rather than function. Great for outdoor roleplay, costume kits, or even as a prop in airsoft or survival-themed setups. Number 7. Squiddy Butterfly Knife. A lightweight butterfly trainer is perfect for flipping fun without the risk. Made from durable plastic, it mimics the real deal in size and feel, but has no sharpened edge, so you can practice tricks safely. The unsharpened blade makes it ideal for beginners or anyone wanting to perfect their moves without worrying about cuts. It folds and flips just like a classic balisong, with smooth action and balanced weight for clean spins and openings. Compact enough to carry in your pocket, it's a great EDC fidget tool for knife fans or hobbyists looking to level up their skills stress-free. Number 6. Multifunctional Tactical Knife. All-in-one survival tool is a pocket powerhouse. Built around a solid pair of tactical pliers, it packs in multiple functions like a sharp folding knife, screwdrivers, wire cutters, bottle opener, and more, all in one compact frame. The stainless steel construction makes it tough enough for outdoor adventures, while the foldable design keeps it easy to carry. hiking, camping, or just fixing stuff on the go, this multi-tool is ready for the job. It's the kind of gear you'll be glad to have in your pack when things get unpredictable. Number 5. LED Light Folding Blade Knife. This blade knife comes with a clever twist, a built-in LED light that makes it super handy in low light situations. If you're out hunting, camping, or just need a reliable EDC tool, this one's got your back. The stainless steel blade is sharp and sturdy, great for cutting tasks or quick self-defense. It folds neatly into a wooden handle that not only looks classy but feels solid in your hand. The light is small but bright enough for night work or emergencies. Compact, portable, and versatile, it's a smart mix of function and style for outdoor lovers and everyday use. Number 4. Sharp Folding Knife. Mini folding knives are the perfect little helper for everyday kitchen tasks. Made from stainless steel, the blade is sharp enough to handle fruit peeling, meat trimming, and quick chopping jobs with ease. Its compact foldable design makes it safe to store and easy to carry. Toss it in a drawer, lunchbox, or even your pocket. The handle is simple but comfortable, giving you good control for those precise cuts. Great for home use, picnics, or prepping snacks on the go. This knife is all about convenience, cleanliness, and no-fuss function in a tiny practical package. Number 3. G94 Wooden Handle Survival Knife. This knife blends rustic charm with serious outdoor utility. It features a sharp stainless steel blade that's great for camping, fishing, hunting, or tackling basic survival tasks. The wooden handle gives it a classic, sturdy feel and fits comfortably in your hand for better control. It folds neatly and securely with a reliable lock mechanism to keep things safe. There's even a belt button or clip so you can carry it with ease wherever you go. Tough, practical, and stylish, it's a great all-around tool to keep on hand for both everyday use and outdoor adventures. Number 2. Embossed Steel Handle Folding Knife. This knife is built for the wild with a rugged stainless steel blade that's sharp, strong, and ready for action. The handle stands out with its embossed steel design, giving it a tough, tactical look and a solid grip. It folds down compactly, making it easy to slip into your pocket, bag, or clip onto your gear. Great for camping, hiking, or survival situations. It's made to handle cutting, slicing, and basic field tasks without a fuss. Number 1. Toor Fixed Blade Straight Knife. Here's a solid blade that's built for action, whether you're out in the wild or just need a tough, reliable tool on hand. With a total length of 20.5 centimeters and a 9.1 centimeter razor sharp stainless steel blade, it's the perfect size for everyday tasks, camping, or survival situations. The blade angle gives you serious cutting power, while the 11.4 centimeter G10 handle offers a sturdy, non-slip grip. It's lightweight, durable, and easy to carry, making it a must-have for anyone who spends time outdoors or likes being prepared. Strong, simple, and ready for whatever you throw at it. That's it for today's roundup. Let us know in the comments which knife caught your eye or made it onto your wish list. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.